Chile guajillo and Chile pasilla. And now I'm gonna like wipe them, like wash them, and I'm gonna put them in, this is hot water. We're gonna let them soak until they're nice and soft. Okay, now I'm seasoning the chicken with Chef Merito's adobo. And we're gonna season them pretty well, and then we'll put it in the pan. Okay, here I have my skillet that's been heating for, I don't know, maybe 3-4 minutes already. It feels pretty hot. It was on high the whole time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread it all around, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken. I'm gonna start skin down first. This is how they'll look after they've been soaking for a while, so that you can tell that they've changed colors. These darker ones were on the top. So. And then now we're gonna go ahead and add it and blend it. Okay, once it's in the blender, we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic. I added 2 cloves because these were really small. And we're also gonna go ahead and add the salt. After the blender, we're just gonna go ahead and put it in the strainer. I like to put, a lot of people don't, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I don't really like the texture of the little like chili flakes on the food, and I like it more of a smoother taste. So it could go either way, however you want it. This is how it's gonna look, and then you just, until it is completely done. You get the shot down here, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. If you get like bigger chunks of the chili flakes after you already strained most of it, you could add it back to the blender and add more chilies and water to it. Okay, this here is what I meant. See how it's like thicker, and you could see of the chili flakes of after, being blended. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this back to the blender cup. And I had already added more of the chiles. And after I add all of this, I'm gonna go ahead and put water and then blend it again. And then do the same process over and over until I get enough in the consistency that I'm looking for. Rosalina and Dan, they just got back from school. All right, so now we have the sauce here, and we're gonna go ahead and add it to the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and let that heat up and cook for a little bit.
You want me to say it again? The flavor of the sauce is on point. It's delicious. I'm Mexican, and I love it.
Say what you said to me, to your mom.
If my plate is not clean in 10 minutes, I failed.
The sauce, the flavor of the sauce is bigger than the soy sauce.
Julián, ¿está bueno?